Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today is 24th March and today's video topic is the linked hash map in Java. So let's see. The linked hash map in Java. The linked hash map class is just like a hash map with an additional feature of maintaining an order of the insertion order. Then the hash map provide the advantages of quick insertion, search and deletion, but it never maintain the track or order of the insertion, which the linked hash map provide, where the element can be accessed in their insertion order. Then the next we see important feature of the linked hash map. So let's see. The linked hash map contain value based on the key. Next, it implements the map interface, and it extend the hash map class. It contains only a unique element. Then next is a it may have one null key and multiple null values. The linked hash map non-synchronized. It is the same as the hash map, and with an additional feature that it maintains the insertion order. uh, 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 we see example. When we run the code with a hash map, we get a different order of element. Then next we see declaration. The public class linked hash map key and value in the generic extends hash map key value, implement map key value. Then here the key object type and v is a value. Then k, the type of the key in the map, and the v means the type of the value mapped in the map. Then it implement map interface and extend the hash map class. Uh, then uh, then next we see the how linked hash map work internally. The linked hash map is an extension of the hash map class, and it implements the map interface. Then we see the class is declared as the public class linked hash map extend hash map implement map. In this class, the data is stored in the form of node. The implementation of the linked hash map is very similar to the doubly linked list in Java. The linked hash map class is the hash table, and the linked list implementation of the map interface. With the then it inherits hash map class and implement the map interface. Then next we see some point to remember of linked hash map. So let's see. The Java linked hash map contains value based on the key. Uh, then the Java linked hash map contain unique element. Next, the Java linked hash map may have one null key and multiple null values. Uh, then the Java linked hash map is a non-synchronized. Then the Java linked hash map maintain insertion order. The initial default capacity of the Java hash map class is 16 with the load factor of the 0.75. Then we see some method. There is many method which perform different operation. uh, Get method, it return the value with the special key is mapped. Then clear, it remove key value pairs from the map. Then boolean contain a value, it check the value is contained in this map or not. So that's all about the linked hash map in Java. Thank you.